Good afternoon, class. Today we're going to be learning about number and operations using coins. Are you guys excited to start? All right. So first of all, we're going to introduce what the coins are. We have 25 cents, a quarter, 10 cents, a dime, 5 cents, a nickel, and 1 cent will equal a penny. For the first demonstration, we're going to be using the dimes as pennies only because I'm a little short on the pennies, so I hope you guys don't mind. Okay, so let's begin. We're just going to start with a simple problem. Jenny needs 7 more cents to make $1. There's going to be a couple different ways to come up with this. So right off the bat, what we can do is subtract $1 or 100 pennies, let's say, from 93. She needs 7 more. So once we do that, cross out, get this, we come up with 7 cents. Okay, so the easiest way that we can do this is starting with pennies. We can easily count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this right here, this amount, these 7 pennies would give Jenny the total of $1. So now there's another way that we can come up with 7 cents. Going back to the orange coin, the nickel, that value is worth 5 cents. So now that we know that Jenny needs 7 cents, let's just hold up 7 with our hands. So now we know the orange coin, 5 cents, is worth 5. Let's subtract that, so we're left with 2. 2 more pennies. So 5, 6, and 7. Total of 7 cents. So that again would give Jenny the extra 7 cents she needs to make $1. So let's go on to a different example. This one might use a little bit more math involved. Okay, so Eric needs 35 cents to complete his purchase. So we're just gonna start with 35 cents. We'll write it right here on the board, 35 cents. So there's gonna be a lot of different ways to come up with this because that value is over the highest coin value, which is 25 cents. So what we're gonna do is, right off the bat, we can just go automatically to the biggest coin, 25 cents, minus 25, 0 carry. So now we're left over with 10 cents. So from here, we can put a dime. A dime is also 10 cents. So 25 cents plus 10 cents equals 35, the total that we ended up needing. So 1 quarter plus 1 dime gives us 35 cents, the total that Eric needs. So now we'll go a different route. There's going to be a lot of different ways to use this, being that the value is a little bit higher than what the highest coin is. So we'll go about it a different way now. So now that we know that it's 35 cents that's needed, we can do increments of 10. We can count by tens. So we have 10 plus 10 plus another 10 plus 10. And that gives us 30 cents. But we still need a little bit more because Eric was looking for the 35 cents. So now we can do the 35 minus the 30, which would give us 5 cents. And so all we have to go back is to our nickel, which is 5 cents. And now we know that 3 dimes equals 30 cents. Plus the nickel, 35 cents. It gives you the total that Eric needed. There's a bunch of different ways. We can work out another one actually. We have time. So what we're gonna come up with is using dimes and nickels again. Or we can do, yeah, that's what we'll do. So we can get 2 dimes, which will equal 20 cents. And then we'll subtract that from the 35 to see how much is left over that we need, which gives us 15 cents left. So we got 2 dimes already. Now we need 15 cents. So now we can use the nickels and count in increments of 5. So it's 5 plus 5 is 10, and plus another 5 is 15. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. And that is the total that we needed. So we can come up with the 35 cents using 2 dimes and 3 nickels. That will also give us 35 cents. There's endless options out there whenever you're using the correct coins for number and operation using coins. This is a very good example to use because there's so many different ways. You can use the 25, and if there was given enough, you can use a bunch of pennies. You can use a bunch of nickels, you can use a bunch of dimes, and you can use even quarters. So there's endless amounts or endless ways that you can come up with amounts using change for all these different coins. Thank you guys for participating, and now I want to observe you guys practicing using the coins.